Clark County Board of Commissioners are meeting next week discussing agenda items from violence against women and crossing guards at CCSD schools. Commissioners are looking at possibly ratifying the Violence Against Women Act grant submitted to the State Attorney General's office. It will allow for the creation of 2 court compliance officers trained on stopping domestic violence. Nevada ranks 3rd in homicides against women. Commissioners are also looking at approving a contract to bring more crossing guards to schools in Clark County. Fox 5 has reported before, typically middle schools don't get crossing guards, and 38 students were near schools last year and were hit by cars. The board will discuss the county's involvement in future Formula One races as well, and they will present a proclamation to the UNLV football team and staff recognizing an outstanding season.